Good morning, children. Previously, we discussed about the world between wars, first part 1900 to 1950. In that, what did we discuss? We discussed about the age of extremes. Why we described 20th century as age of extremes. We discussed, and one more thing we discussed: what happened at the time. What happened during the time we will discuss. Now, we will discuss about the power blocks which are happened at the time. What is the meaning of the power block? Why they started? Actually, in 9th class, you learned about the emergence of nation states and the nationalism aspect of how it rose into one revolution. In that way, we learned. Meanwhile, what happened because of that nationalism aspect, nationalistic aspect, so many countries were formed. Number of countries were formed. By that, they wanted power and they wanted to control over their territory. And they wanted to control over the world, not only their territory, not only their kingdom, not only their country. They wanted to control over world. So that type of aspect started in the minds of the European countries. It led to form as some blocks. That blocks only we call as a center, entente and center also. Stop saying. They are formed as a blocks as a center and entente. These power blocks only continued till the end of the Second World War. In this, what happened? They particularly Austria and Hungary, and Britain and France. They are the enemies of past. But what happened? They made a secret alliance. Because of this fear, they will lose their power or they will lose their control. That's why they made secret alliances with them. And that groups only continued for the world wars also. And they only allied countries. Allied countries are led by Britain and Axis powers are led by Germany. These two groups played a key role in the world wars. That what happened? What are the reasons behind this wars? We will learn. Then what happened in the time? So many reasons are there. Maybe two wars in the gap between the First World War and Second World War might be 21 years. Some of the reasons are similar and some are different. Because in this world, two incidents cannot happen with the same reason. So reasons are similar or different, whatever it. Now we will learn first provocations, immediate provocation, which led to start the war. That we will learn. For the First World War, in the 28th June 1914, what happened? One of the Serbian fanatic killed one Austrian who were Archduke Franz Ferdinand. What is the name? Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austrian was killed by Serbian fanatic. Here what happened? Austria got support by Germany. So what happened? Germany raised a war against Serbia. So Serbia got the support from the Britain. So the world war started. Britain group gave support to Serbia, and Germany group gave support to Austria. So that is the first provocation. That means when that war started, First World War, 28th June 1914. and it ended up by 1918. We learned that. Next, Second World War started on 1st September 1939. 1st September 1939. What is the immediate provocation for this war? We wanted to know. Immediate provocation for this war was Germany wanted control over the seaport which was in Poland. So it drove away the forces of Poland. So at the time, the Britain people gave support to the Poland and the Second World War started. These are the immediate provocations for the world wars. And what are the remaining causes for the wars are? First we will look at this. Imperialism. Second one, secret alliances. Third one, militarism. And these are the some main causes. Imperialism, secret alliance and militarism. The remaining topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.